Advance Auto Parts is a provider of aftermarket auto parts in North America, serving both professional installers and do-it-yourself customers. The company operates around 4,700 stores, primarily under the trade names Advance Auto Parts and CarQuest. They offer a broad selection of brand name, original equipment manufacturer, and owned brand automotive replacement parts, accessories, batteries, and maintenance items for various vehicles. The company has a long history dating back to 1929 and has grown significantly through strategic acquisitions, new store openings, and comparable store sales growth. Advance Auto Parts has two main store formats: Advance Auto Parts and CarQuest. The Advance Auto Parts stores focus on both professional and DIY customers, offering around 23,600 SKUs, while CarQuest stores primarily serve professional customers with around 16,400 SKUs. The company is restructuring to improve profitability and growth potential by streamlining operations, closing stores, and reducing headcount. This plan is part of the company's efforts to simplify its business and improve profitable growth. Advance Auto Parts serves its customers through channels like traditional brick-and-mortar stores and self-service e-commerce sites, with a presence across 48 U.S. states, 2 U.S. territories, and 6 Canadian provinces. Advance Auto Parts sells a wide range of products across several categories, including parts and batteries, accessories and chemicals, and engine maintenance. Their product offerings include batteries, belts and hoses, brakes, chassis parts, air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, and various automotive accessories. The company provides customers with quality products at different price points labeled as good, better, or best, and accepts returns for many new core and warranty products. Professional customers, who account for approximately 50% of the company's sales, are primarily served through delivery of products to their places of business, such as garages, service stations, and auto dealerships. The company also serves 934 independently owned CarQuest stores with direct shipments from distribution centers. DIY customers, on the other hand, are primarily served through the company's stores, but can also order online for in-store pickup or direct shipment. The company offers a range of free services to customers at its stores, including battery and wiper installation, check engine light scanning, electrical system testing, oil and battery recycling, and loaner tool programs. Customers can also shop online through the company's website or mobile app, with professional customers able to place orders electronically, by phone, or in-store. The company's supply chain is designed to provide same-day or next-day availability to customers, with a network of distribution centers, hubs, and stores. Advance Auto Parts operates 28 distribution centers, ranging in size from approximately 70,000 to 943,000 square feet, with total square footage of around 8.5 million. The company has been optimizing its supply chain, converting 8 distribution centers to market hubs, closing 4 distribution centers as part of its restructuring plan, and selling 9 distribution centers as part of the WorldPack transaction. Advance Auto Parts sources its merchandise from over 634 vendors, negotiating agreements that specify terms such as pricing, rebates, volume, and payment terms. The company aims to carry a broad selection of high-quality and reputable brand name automotive parts and accessories, including brands like Bosch, Castrol, and Mobil 1. In addition to these branded products, the company also stocks a wide range of owned brand products, such as CarQuest, DieHard, and DriveWorks, which cater to value-conscious customers. Marketing and advertising programs focus on driving brand awareness, consideration, and omni-channel traffic. Advance Auto Parts strives to exceed customer expectations through a comprehensive online and in-store experience, extensive parts assortment, quality brands, and experienced parts professionals. The company also offers professional programs and a DIY customer loyalty program to build loyalty with customers. Business is somewhat seasonal, with the highest sales typically occurring in the spring and summer months. Weather conditions can also impact sales, with extreme temperatures leading to increased sales due to automotive part failures, while heavy precipitation tends to soften sales. The fourth quarter is generally the most volatile, with weather and spending trade-offs influencing professional and DIY sales. Within the automotive aftermarket, competition comes from national and regional chains like AutoZone and O'Reilly Automotive, as well as internet-based retailers, discount stores, wholesalers, and independently owned stores. The company believes that chains with multiple locations have competitive advantages in customer service, marketing, and distribution. Key factors driving competition in the industry include brand recognition, customer service, product offerings, availability, quality, price, and store location, all of which Advanced Auto Parts is continually optimizing. For more on Advanced Auto Parts and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.